Now, after the grand finale of DY Calendar Event 2025, we have got the champion, and this event was organized by the DY 365 at Mayfair Spring Valley. And Aji Amehan winners along with runners-ups duita bi paigina ase. And in between, ekjon first runners-up Amihala on Nagaland State pra asogina amihan janibo pare ase. But etiala time de amihan winner lote interact kuribo aur tai laga experience ta opore amihan janibole koshish koribo. Etia amalo to winner dhaka laga mi tai lakin gase Angelina Jackson azu gushe, and she belongs from Shillong, Meghalaya. Tai lote amihan uda kuribo tai la experience kin ga daishe. First of all, congratulations. May Angelina, can you share few things about how you got interested about this event and from where did you knew that this event is going to be held in there?
So I got to know about this event from my mother. My mother has always been my biggest supporter, and she told me about this event that why don't you go and audition. So I came for the auditions, and now I am the winner, and I'm so happy and so grateful to God.
At the midst, I want to know, I've been interviewed lots of pageants and the winners. So can you tell us what is the experience, what do you feel during, in between, in the mid of the auditions or in the mid of the entire journey that I will be the winner or would I not? What is the feelings that you had earlier?
I have never self-doubted myself. I have always stayed resilient, and I have always believed in myself. Although there were lots of challenges and hurdles all the way through the pageant, but I still believed in myself, and that's why I'm here today.
Congratulations once again. Would you like to say a few things about DY365 and the organizers teams and the entire grooming team along with the other mentors that have groomed in entire season? Would you like to say something?
Yes, sure. I'm very thankful to DY365 team. I'm thankful to the director Anisha ma'am and to our trainers Franco sir and Sukalpa ma'am and to our photographer Kamal sir. I'm really grateful to everyone for providing me this platform.
And any few words for your fellow citizens in Meghalaya who will be aspiring to join this pageant in next year?
I would like to say that all of you should come for this pageant. It is a wonderful pageant, and it is a platform which is going to provide you a lot of fame and popularity. Yes.
And the very last question to you, what do you feel about DY365 and DY365 calendar event?
I feel like it is a very influential platform, and all the 12 of us, like 12 girls, are in the calendar. So we all are winners already. It is not just the 3 of us. It is all the 12 girls who are like selected.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
now moving on to the next. Please introduce yourself. Sana, what is this?
Hello, my name is Bhavna Deka. I am from Guwahati. I am the first runners-up of DY Calendar Event 2025. Thank you.
You are the first runner-up.
I'm the first runner.
Okay. So did you feel like I would be the winner? And now, as you have already got your other friend, as you earlier mentioned by the mentors, that you were like a friend's entire in the season. Did you feel like she got the title and you did not? Is there any doubt about yourself?
Well, I will just make it clear to you with one simple example. In a classroom, for example, a student gets 99% while the other gets 98%. Does this make the 98% student bad, or does it make her or him a failure? No, right? So I consider myself as a winner too, and I'm really happy for my winner friend.
It is great to hear, and which we expected from you, and many things we have learned from you. Would you join next year to take this title and you want to be a winner? As I say, like you want to be a winner, would you like to join again if you get an opportunity?
So I believe I'm really grateful to the title that I hold, that is first runners-up, and I would like to give the younger girls the opportunity to come in.
So would you like to help them to groom themselves? Would you like to help them to groom?
I believe we have great mentors out here that has been our teachers. I wouldn't really go out in the space to teach, but I will definitely share my experiences.
Thank you very much. Thank you. For the very first time, Nagaland Bra Kunba DY Calendar Day. I runners up Pabi Amianitia this year 2025 DY Calendar Lagate Amihan Paina Zero. She is none other than Vitoni K. Jimo, and she belongs from Newland district of Nagaland. Taya Higine, as we know, she studied in Kaziranga University. Tadibra Tai auditions digine all the way. Aji grand finale de runners up Paishe, but we expected to her as a winner, but runners up Pabi Amhala state Kana Dangor Ekta Amihan Janiase. And the event organized Kura DY pra organize kura laga ase every year la rotation de organize hui thake etia vidone amlote ase ke jimolote mon kotha gurbo tai laga journey la opore ami olob huda hudi guri sabo. First of all, congratulations that you have the first one to win as a second runners up in DY calendar. Apni kinga feel guri ase la time de?
It was so unexpected and I'm so happy. Like I was not expecting, but it was so unexpected, and I'm so happy right now.
So can you share us about your journey, how you knew about this event and how you knew about this pageant and what made you interested to join in this event?
First of all, I just the DY calendar, they came to our university, and I just entered as a experience, but later I got selected for on the audition, so I just went for it. I have my exams, but I have my exam tomorrow, but I'm here.
Okay. So, Ms. Jimo, can you tell us that did you expect that you obviously everyone wants to be a winner, but you got a second runner-up, which is next to the winner. Do you think that you might be joining next year again to take the title? Do you feel like that?
In DY?
Yes, DY.
I don't think I'll be coming back, but as for other pageant, I'll try. Yeah.
So, how did you like about this pageant?
I learned many things from here because this was my first pageant, and I learned many things. I experienced a lot of things, and it was really fun.
Do you have any message for the other inspiring, that aspirants who want to join into the pageants like this, especially from Nagaland? Or would you like to share something about this pageant, DY calendar event, to other fellow citizens of Nagaland?
So, first of all, even if you're not experienced in pageant, please go for it because you learn from new things. So yeah, go for it. Even if you're nervous, just go for it. You will win. If you're confident in yourself.
Thank you very much, Ms. Jimo. Thank you.
Welcome.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.